another car salon walk around. Just finished up this beast of a thing. It's a 2019 Rebel. A good customer of ours reached out, said he wanted to change it, and boy did we change it. The 6-inch BDS lift, 20-inch fuel wheels, the Contras, black with the red mill, which just makes perfect sense to me when you look inside this vehicle. 37-inch tall Cooper STT Pros. Thing is on fire. Not so much red outside the vehicle, but when you look inside, of course, you got the red tinted seats, candy red trim. So now I understand why the guy needed to go red. Anyway, we did the kit with the rear Fox shocks. We did not do the front coilovers. Basically, it's a spacer kit in the front to get that all done and dealt with. So straightforward install, no rust, no mud, no issues with seized bolts. Just kind of the best kind of lift you want to get done. Yeah, that's how she lays out. 2 days with us. Give her a stage street clean when we're done, make it look brand new. This thing is a beast. Calibrated the speedometer to account for the gigantic tires. Gave this thing about 8 inches overall lift, and real stoked to see this thing done. I get to actually go and drive this to his yard. Take a little peek inside this beautiful unit. Dodge has got the #1 interior in the history of trucks, in my opinion. Nothing gets much better than these guys. Big Tesla screen. The sweet, 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 sweet little tire treads down the seats. This thing is a beast.
Alright guys, thanks for hanging out today. It's a beautiful day out here. It's like 26 degrees.
Thanks for watching today, and if you want to like this, that would be great. Post it, repost, whatever they do. I'm not that guy. I'm kind of an old school gentleman holding a weird camera looking at you right now. Anyway, you guys have a great afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye now.